Uber Eats app. Issues usually come from outdated app versions, broken cache data, unstable internet connections, or temporary server outages that prevent orders from loading or completing. By the end, you'll know the fastest ways to fix the Uber Eats app when it stops working, including login problems, loading errors, and checkout failures. Start with the simplest cause that fixes most cases. If the app is stuck, not loading restaurants or freezing, the first thing to check is your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue changes. A weak connection often blocks menus from loading, even when the app opens normally. Next, check if Uber Eats itself is down. Open a browser and search Uber Eats status or check down detector. If there's a spike in reports, the problem is on Uber's side, not your phone. In that case, there's nothing to fix except waiting for service to come back online. If the service is working, the next fix is clearing the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Uber Eats, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can get corrupted and stop the app from loading properly. On iPhone, you don't get a direct cache button, so the workaround is uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This refreshes all stored data and resets broken app behavior. Now, check for outdated app versions. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and search Uber Eats. If you see an update button, install it immediately. Older versions can break when Uber updates its back-end system. Another common issue is login session errors. If you can't sign in or the app keeps kicking you out, log out completely if possible. Then log back in. If that fails, reset your password through the Forgot Password option. Also check device-level issues. Low storage space or outdated operating systems can cause apps to crash or freeze. Free up storage by deleting unused apps or files. Then restart your phone. Now put it together. Most Uber Eats app problems come from three things: connection issues, corrupted app data, or outdated software. Fixing those three areas usually restores normal app function without needing support. Next step is simple. Check your internet first, then update or reinstall the app, and finally clear cache or reset login if the issue continues. If this helped, subscribe for more quick fixes for delivery apps and payment issues without complicated steps.